All right, guys, so we're back here trying to upload an email into Thunderbird. So Thunderbird was what we used to use our email interface, and this is what we use for a lot of clients. So when you download Thunderbird, which if you've watched our previous video, you saw how easy it was to just download the system. Once that installs and it opens up on your computer, it's going to bring this account setup display. And so you'll need a couple pieces of information. You'll just type your full name in. Here I'm using Ed Phillips, which is my business partner. We're going to set up his commission-based marketing email. So in the next file, we're going to type in or copy and paste the correct email that you were set up with your website. And then every website email comes with a password, and we're just going to type that password in here. We suggest using a double password with a bunch of random letters and symbols in it. This really helps it make it more secure so you don't get hacked. We're also going to click on remember the password so we don't have to keep typing it in every time. And I know we want to go to continue, but really what we're going to do is configure this manually because we need to change some things. There's different ways to set it up. For this demonstration, we're going to use IMAP setup, and there's already a couple errors that naturally occur. So this host name, which your hosting server can provide, ours is going to be mail.commissionbasedmarketing.com, and we'll make sure that that is in both sides of the equation. So this is from the incoming and this is the outgoing. Let's add mail.commissionbasedmarketing.com. Okay, and then we're going to go to the connection security. We're going to pick on SSL TLS for this setup. Authentication mode, auto detect, and we're going to change that to a normal password. And then we should go ahead and retest this once we get these other selections made. Ed Phillips at commissionbasedmarketing.com, and then we're going to retest it. And then the port numbers here show up as 993 and 465. Those are correct that are set up in our server. So we're going to click on done. And they're looking up the address books right now, looking up the calendars. And like I said, Thunderbird really makes this easy to set up as long as you have all the correct information. And we're going to go ahead and finish. And right there, it's already loaded, and all of the emails that were already sent, and he's been using on a different, maybe he uses Outlook sometimes, but now he has Thunderbird and he can access all of the emails right here. So if you found this helpful or are looking to set up your email, you can go ahead and pause this video along the way, learn the step-by-step instructions. We made this to make it easy for our clients and other people using Thunderbird and hosting services to be able to upload their professional email and get away from using those, gmail.com addresses. This really helps you get a professional look for your business communications. So we appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions or still need help setting that up, you can always fill out one of our customer support forms, and one of our technicians can be on a call with you to help you set up your custom email. Don't forget to head to commissionbasedmarketing.com for all your marketing needs or web development, hosting, serving, even registering domains. So we made it really simple for you. Head over to the site, check things out, and leave us a comment and like the post, and we'll see you on the inside.